So the Power BI team released the June 2022 update, and we're going to go through, as always, what is new there. Let's get started. So the format pane is generally available. It's not like in developer mode anymore, and it's available on the Power BI service. They have squeezed some bugs, and they have done a very small but very neat feature, and is that when you change the page type to tooltip, you don't need to toggle that little enable as a tooltip thing anymore, which is very, very neat. They have updated the error bars format pane to have a more logical way and structured way for you to find all the formatting options. If you are connecting to a shared dataset on Power BI service live, now if that connection or that dataset has a sensitivity level, it will get passed to Power BI desktop to inform you of that. They have made some updates to the matrix and the tables, and it is some accessibility shortcuts. We have improved scrolling and rendering performance, and also enhanced row selection, so it will highlight when you are selecting things better than it does today. They have added a fit to page button on the canvas zoom that will allow you to go back. If you zoom in and out, it will allow you to come back to the natural state quicker, which is quite nice. Thank you for that. You can now build composite models on SQL Server analysis services. And obviously, there is a datamarts connector in Power BI desktop, so you can connect to your datamarts. Export to PowerPoint feature will now remember the filters that you apply, which is very, very neat. And also when you are exporting to PowerPoint from Power BI service, you will have two options. Either you copy the link onto the add-in, or you can start a new PowerPoint directly from Power BI service, which is neat. They have created a Datahub where you will be able to find your shared data sets, your data marts, your data flows, anything data related, and I think that is actually very, very, very neat. Not only that, but the Datahub will be available also directly from the Power BI service, which is very, very neat, actually, very cool. Now for goals that now are called metrics, they have added the possibility to have milestones, so you will be able to set like intermediate milestones that your goal has to meet, and you will be able to track it. The visualization is actually very, very neat. I really enjoyed it. The milestones, you'll have to add them in manually. They are not automated. And there's also category tracking when you want to track text, basically. When would you like to track text? You have, for example, NPN score, where you have promoters and motors and all that stuff. So if it goes from promoter to the motor, you will be able to track that as text, which is very, very neat. Make sure you have WebView 2 installed. If you don't, you will get a reminder on a ribbon. And they have improved the single sign-on for the Power BI desktop. So if you're not logged in, it will prompt you to log in, and you will have the same experience as for Office. And they are promising to have some exciting new experiences once you log in. So very, very neat. What is your favorite feature this month? For me, it has to be the Datahub. I think that is a very, very cool idea. On the Datahub, you have the possibility to see your datasets, your organizational datasets, which is basically the promoted 35, everything. It's nice, you know, in organizations it's so difficult to find the data, so this is super cool. That would be my favorite. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comment box, and I will see you, I guess, tomorrow again. So enjoy your day.